learn and recognize Phonicx. A. A for alligator. B. B for balloon. C. C for coat. D. D for dog. E. E for egg. F. F for fish. G. G for girl. H. H for horse. I. I for iron. J. J for jam. K. K for kangaroo. L. L for lion. M. M for mirror. N. N for net. O. O for ostrich. P. P for paintbrush. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. S. S for snail. T. T for turtle. U. U for umbrella. V. V for violin. W. W for wall. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yarn. Z. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D. E, F, G, H. I, J, K, L. M, N, O, P. Q, R, S, T. U, V, W. X, Y, Z.